Hello, welcome back to our show. We talk about things to help you learn and grow. Shout out to Ms. Willman's class at T-Top Elementary in Illinois. Thanks for watching. Our thought of the week is, true friends are like diamonds. School's almost done and vacation is near, but we want to keep learning when summer is here. So I have some skills to share with you for you to practice the whole summer through. The first thing to do when you meet someone new is look them in the eye and say, "How do you do?" It can be a bit scary to be the first to say hi, but you'll feel even worse if you don't even try, and the more you try, the higher you fly. Now listen closely. Why is it scary to meet someone new? Thanks for watching, and remember, we're all in this together, and we're here to help you through. As long as you keep trying, there's nothing we can't do. Be safe and strong, young diamonds. Have a fantastic day.